this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of, I don't know what we're going to call this one with the Ramen Raider. So, I'm going to do a weird experiment, mainly just something to look at. I do a lot of intros and outros for my show, Instant Noodle Recipe Time. It's cold outside right now. When I woke up, it was 12 degrees, feels like 6. That's cold. I got a bunch of these, and I'm not like head over heels about them, and I don't know anybody that would want them. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put this and the seasoning and some other ingredients that I commonly use in instant noodles in a container, put it outside, on the inside point my camera at it, and do a time lapse of it freezing. And at the end, I'll take it out, flip it over, and then, do a picture of it. That sounds like fun. Really doesn't need a lot more to understand than that. So, here we go. I'm back, and I left it out overnight and it froze really solid. As you can see here, everything froze. We had freezing rain. Everything is absolutely crazy outdoors. I tried to walk to the store. It's impassable, so I'm kind of bummed about that. Maybe it'll thaw, but let's see what we got. Here is our ice ramen, and I shall attempt to flip it over and put it on a plate. Okay, see, there's the chashu right there. I guess we'll just wait for it to release. I think that's probably all we can do. That was quick. So here we are. What a beautiful thing this is, ladies and gentlemen. This is a frozen, solid, lovely bowl of noodle. Wow, it smells. No, I'm not gonna dig into this. I don't think that's gonna work. I'll just make something else. My wife has kind of forbidden me from eating this, worried about bugs, because it was outside. I don't know, I think most of the bugs are dead or hibernating right now, but I think I'll take her advice and not ingest this. It's cold, very cold ramen, but interesting how it worked. And kind of interesting how you could watch it on the time lapse just suck up a lot of liquid. This is really weird, folks. So there you are, frozen instant noodle. And of course I had to bring that to you. It's what you want. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Like, subscribe, do all that crap if you want, even if you don't want. Just do it. Have a good one. Bye-bye.